I co-hosted it with one of my colleagues, Scott Hillary, and we talked about product approval, that it was more than a final accuracy check. So the crux of the presentation that we did looked at the fact of, we compared it actually against a food product that you would buy from the supermarket, and how there's a final accuracy check that you would have in the fact that you wanted a can of baked beans. If you went to the supermarket to get it, what do? You check that you got the right product, right size, check the expiry date, all those types of things. And that was your final accuracy check. But then we delved into it a little bit more. So we compared it against checking a bag of chemotherapy. What are all the things that you need to do more than a final accuracy check, more than just looking at the bag, checking the labels correct? And it's everything behind it. So it was really delving and trying to show that check would entail what's going on in your environment. It would entail thinking about all the ingredients involved, not just the batch numbers and expiries, what's happened to them, how they're stored, thinking about the competency of staff. So many different factors involved, which make a product approval much different to a final accuracy check, and the amount that's involved in that.